Happy holiday. We have a great idea for some last minute shopping for family and friends. Our holiday digital toolkit. This is Ed Brzee with BoomerTech Adventures. We have in our holiday digital toolkit 6 comprehensive tip sheets plus a bonus, things like iPhone, iPad tips for memorable holiday photos, troubleshooting tip sheet, getting your new device working using Siri, and a bonus holiday video calling. You're looking at our website at www.boomertechadventures.com. Hit the green button right at the bottom where it says get instant access, $15, and you have the opportunity right here to purchase the holiday digital toolkit. The explanation is right here, and this is where you purchase it. So we hope you'll give it a try.